Now, are you guys looking for the most affordable house that includes a next-gen suite? Well, look no further, guys. Today, we're here at Daybreak by Lennar, specifically in Black Mountain Ranch. And in this video, we are going to be touring the Mitchell floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Daybreak with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Daybreak by Lennar here in Henderson, Nevada. We are specifically in Black Mountain Ranch. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're about 25 minutes away, 15 miles away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Okay, so here in the southeast side, guys, close to, we got the Hoover Dam, not too far away. We got Boulder City, that's pretty close. Okay, we got a bunch of restaurants close by, and you know, you got a lot of activities that you can do in the area, you guys. But I will have the floor plan on the screen for you guys. So we offer, they offer 3 different floor plans. Okay, the Arwen, the Mitchell, and the Glenbrook. Now the Mitchell is the only one that's going to have a next gen suite, and the base prices range from $437,990 all the way up to $511,990. Now guys, when I say the base prices, okay, just know that when you see base prices, that doesn't include the lot premiums and the upgrades. Now, the thing about Lennar, because Lennar has really good standard options, the only type of upgrades you'd be doing is flooring, countertop, and cabinets, okay? So out the door, if you're gonna pick out all those options, I would say I would add about 8% to the base price, okay? But it could range, guys. So they do have like move-in ready homes here, and they also have homes where you could choose the options. Now, as far as the HOA here at Daybreak community is going to be $59 a month, and they have a SID assessment, guys. The SID assessment is going to be $790 a year. All right. So the amenities close by, they include like you have a dog park, playground, you have a splash pad. That's about it, guys. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Mitchell floor plan. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1760 square feet, and this does include a next gen suite, guys. The price as of today is $494,990. That is the base price. Okay, so we'll head to the we're gonna head to the side to get to the entry door. Now guys, when I say the base price is $494,990, the only type of upgrades that you can make to increase that price is flooring, cabinets, countertop, and that's pretty much it, guys. So we got the 2 doors right here. Okay, so this is gonna be the door to the main house, and then this is going to be the door to the next gen suite. Okay. So what you see here, this is included. So we have the Ring doorbell, and then we have the this programmable lock. Okay. Okay. So welcome in, guys. 9-foot ceilings. All right. So you're gonna have your primary bedroom over there. You're going to have your second guest bedroom down there, and then like the door to the garage. Once you go over there, you're gonna have the next gen suite area. So I will show you guys. Okay, so as far as the flooring goes, just know you are looking at upgraded flooring. So flooring is the most common type of upgrade. If you didn't have this, standard is like carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You would have like a linoleum or like 17 by 17 ceramic tile. But even when they spec the homes, they will kind of remove the carpet and they'll put hard flooring because it's easier to sell. So all the lights that you're seeing, the pre-wired, the ceiling fan, that's all included, guys. Okay. These 5-panel doors included. So this is going to be your pantry. So spacious pantry. As far as the kitchen, you're looking at the Calcutta quartz. That is optional. Standard, you do have standard will be quartz material as well. It just won't, you know, it won't be this tier of quartz. It'll be like a lower tier quartz. Okay, your appliances that you're looking at, everything is included right here. So you're gonna have the dishwasher, stove, oven, refrigerator, as well as the microwave. Now I believe these cabinets are standard, guys. Okay, so the white cabinets, I just don't know if these pulls are upgraded, but reach out to me. I'll definitely let you guys know. As far as the backsplash goes, that is optional. Okay, so backsplash is optional. Countertop, cabinets, those are all things that you can change. Okay, so you're gonna have this nice slider right over here. Oh, looks like they don't want us opening that. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, this is gonna be a king size bed. Here, I will have let me get you guys the dimensions real quick. It's gonna be 13 by 12. Guys, for the pane, you're gonna have Sherwin-Williams extra white. You're also gonna have the flat corner edging. The baseboards, I would say the baseboard is gonna be about, this is the baseboards that you're gonna get. I think it's about like 3 inches, 3-inch baseboards. Okay. No modifications can be done with like the way the primary bath looks. So you're gonna get the shower, the tub, as well as the dual sinks. Okay, this is standard for the cultured marble countertop. So you're gonna have your toilet room right here. Okay, this is gonna be your walk-in closet. So pretty big, pretty spacious, guys. Okay, also to the primary, let me see here. Oh yeah, as far as like the blinds go, the blinds are not included as well. So the only thing that are not included as far as like what you see in the house is obviously like this furniture right here, the curtains, the blinds, and the washer and dryer. Okay. Right. So right in here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Okay, smart panel box gonna be right here. So you have your washer and dryer. You could choose to buy that at the retail store, or I think you can buy that with a builder as well. Right, so you got the shower tub. Okay, full bath right here. And then this is going to be your guest room. All right. These doors are also 6x7 doors. Okay, so you're going to have the door to the garage right here, and this is going to be your door to your next gen suite. So we will take a look. Now guys, again, what a next gen suite is, it's a separate living area inside your home, right? So in case that, you know, you have a family member, a friend, a roommate, and you want to give them their own space, well, a next gen suite will do just that. They have their own separate entry door. They have their bedroom, their laundry room, half kitchen, okay, and a living room. So the only thing that they don't have that they would probably need on the daily is a oven stove. So, you know, they'd probably go inside the house for that. Other than that, I mean, everything is here. They even have stacked washer and dryer in their primary walk-in closet. Okay. So right here, here's your closet. This is going to be the door, their entry door. Okay, so you got your stacked washer and dryer right here. Your full bath. Okay, walk-in shower, got your toilet, undermount sink. And then here is your little living area. Okay, so this is pretty cozy, guys, right? So yeah, imagine, you know, perfect for a roommate situation. or if you have your in-laws staying with you. But yeah, guys, also too, if you are interested in a new build community, give me a call, guys. You know, I'd love to be there on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor, at least let them know that you plan on visiting a new build community. You want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit. The thing is, if you go there by yourself and you register without an agent, without a realtor, they won't let you be represented down the road. And the builder agents, they have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. That means they look after the builders for best interest, while realtors look after your best interest. So, you know, we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we make sure you get all the best incentives, and the builders pay the realtor fee. So it's a no-brainer, guys. But yeah, reach out to me if you guys have any questions or if you're looking for help through this process. My info is going to be description below. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Let me know what you think of the Mitchell Next Gen floor plan. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.